Hey Emmitt, what's up, yo? What's going on, yo? I'm about to put up the link early today. I was too excited to see you guys. I had to hop on fucking immediately. I'm over here jerking this, just jerking my, protein. Give me a second, yo. Emmitt, about to get off my lunch break. Can't follow some good stuff. I don't know what the hell that means, Jasmine, but make sure you are here for this. Make sure you are here for this, fam. What's up? How you guys doing? How was your weekend? We chilling? Beautiful week. And bread and butter, bro. Whatever that means. I agree. Bread and fucking butter. Come cook with the chef. Boom. My VA usually hops on a bit later to send the link out, so just give me a second so I can send this bitch right quick, and then we get cooking good looking. Yes, I do. Boom. What's up, y'all? I'm live right now on YouTube a bit early. It's like fucking 9 minutes before, so if you want to tune in to the next trading session, click the link down below. Let's get it. It's the first PM session of the week. What's up, y'all? I'm live right now on YouTube a bit early. It's like all right, I think I covered all bases. Damn, she's got a. I'm live now, free. Bitch. What's up, y'all? I'm live right now on YouTube a bit early. It's like fucking 9 minutes before, so. Yeah, son. All right, cool. How the fuck are you doing? We chilling, bro. Yeah, we chilling. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, Anthony Vasquez? My brother's name is Anthony, bro. He's an absolute legend. So I hope you are too. I let my boy drive my car yesterday. Not my car, my truck. And this motherfucker broke my goddamn windshield, bro. Little bitch. Wasn't his fault though. I think like a rock hit it or some shit, supposedly. All right, so check it out. On Dow Jones, before we get into talking and shit, we're starting to push, bro. To be honest with you, I might take this collapse here if we can get a good aggressive pull lower. I don't really take trades before too, especially like right at this new hourly open. So it's pretty gangsta. But at the same time, we usually have sporadic volume during this time anyway. So it's like I might just have to hop in and cook anyways. All right, so get ready for that. Look at the sex machine of a trade we had this morning, bro. 1 to 11 hit, but not me. I pulled out at 1 to 4. Partial out at 1 to 2, pulled out at 1 to 4. I have a reel later on. The account's sitting at 140. I took my first withdrawal of the account. I decided it's fucking new levels this week, so or this year. I'm not gonna. I mean, we'll watch me change this shit when I get up to like the 300Ks and shit. I'm just so don't hold me by my word, but I'm gonna try not to withdraw shit all year, except for 10K per month until the end of the year, and then withdraw everything. That point, I can extensively grow this account. I'll have my entire investment back within like here, let me bring a little closer for you guys here. Wait, which way do we go? This way, this way. I can get my entire investment back in like 10 months, and anything outside of that is just profit, you know? I don't need to pull money from the markets. Outside of that, yeah, I'm straight. Shit, I'm straight for a year. So I'm just trying to reach that new level of potentially trading a $500,000 account next year. And it's not going to happen if I keep trying to pull out like 20, 30K. So that is the plan moving forward. 10K once a month. Everything else is sitting in. And we fucking. For this PM session though, we're still only trading this 10K account for now. I told you guys a million times last week, but I'm not the most excited about the volume during this time period yet, so we're kind of just vibing collectively. But look, we have this resistance sitting up here that every time we reject away from this area, bro, we're talking hundreds, 150 points there, 300 points there, and we're already pushing away 100 points here where we're currently at right now. So if we start to break above that level, you know, solid, but if we start to continue lower, like, man, the market has aggressively pushed up like 500 points. I wouldn't mind getting a part of a bit of this retracement if that's where it's going to be. We just got to be a little patient here. That's on NAS. US 30, again, on the other hand, if we can get some volume behind this move, instead of just feeling like we're going to push beyond the support that continuously form and then push right back up, and yet again right now pushing back up, we'll take shorts, man. We got clear traffic down here for a whole 150 points before coming down to this next level of rejection. So I'm fucking open, bro. And let me know you guys can hear me and shit. You know, you should be able to, but let me know, because I know I was playing music and all that shit last week. So just let me know. Emma, I opened an account with Gates FX. Damn, bro, you're about to be rich. Congrats. Mm-hmm. See, like right here. I think I'm about to give these shorts a shot. You will see as soon as my P&L gets in. Be patient. We don't just hop in because we see one little volume spike. I want to see a follow through, and then we'll be able to put in like a 0.4, which means I'll be risking on this trade. I'll tell you right now. Give me a second. Using a 40 point SL, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 870 pretty much. I'll be risking like 1.5. I'll be risking like 15%. So we got a bit more margin, which is nice. So if this can be fulfilled, bro, we'd be up. We'd be up like 30% on this account. Done with this fucking whack-ass volume during this PM session. So it'll be interesting. But wait. Wait till you see the P&L on this and then get into the trade. All right? And you also hear me say get into the trade too, so let's get this shit pumping. But first, let's ask the question I always want to hear. Make sure you guys answer the poll. I want to know if you were profitable last month or not. Not last week, the whole fucking month. NAS is kind of doing the same thing, so we'll see what we got going on here. NAS, on the other hand, the ATR is reading like 27, so we're probably just going to use that firm 30-point SL. No need to go any higher than that, and this is kind of what we're looking for. I will let you know which one I get into and when. We got like 3 minutes left until that new hourly, which we can wait for it, I guess. The likelihood of us just sending it lower right now without creating some type of top wick is obviously extremely low. Every single hourly candle has a top and a bottom wick, so we don't want to kind of play that game of hopping in 2 minutes before that new hourly open. We usually only hop on in 3 minutes anyway, so we'll go ahead and we'll wait for the new hourly open before I get into the next trade. Bro says, looked like it was a hectic day so far. No, today was a good. London was very hectic, yeah. London was very hectic. We still got 2 minutes left. Do I want to hold off on this position? I do. You'll definitely be hearing me cry about it if it just continues on. But the likelihood of this bitch just pushing without any type of top, I'm gonna wait for the new hourly, bro. Let's just give it a moment. 7 votes. Were you profitable last month? 57% say yes. We got 51 people in here. Which I was scared to answer the poll for, bro. I can't see who's answering. I just want to see. I want to see percentage-wise who's profitable or not. Don't be scared, bro. I might have to do a giveaway again if you guys reach. What did we do last time? 70 votes? Or was it 80? I think it was 80. 80 votes and do a giveaway, which we did. Who won it last week? You won it last week, didn't you, Rebel? Yeah, gangsta. Proud of you, bro. You the man. Legendary Rebel. What up, Coach? What up, Zing Pow? We chilling? You took a trade yet? Nah, bro, my bad. Let me pop this off until next can open. No, we haven't taken a trade yet. I hate when people put that shit up to without actually getting in. It drives me nuts. Actually, though. I'm not that guy, my bad. If we would have got into the trade, blah, 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 fucking blah. Oh, shit, what up, EP? You want to hop on, bro? I'm going to just be trading and chilling if you want to do a Zoom. I'm about to be on here for like 30 minutes, bro. I'm about to go shooting with Andre. We couldn't go. Can I show guns on stream? Probably not. I'm not gonna fuck around. Probably not. All right, so we're showing a top wick here. We start to push back below lows. We're gonna give it the first shot of the day. Pretty much a 40 SL, targeting down to these lows, damn near a 1 to 3, and we're fucking. As far as Nas goes, it's kind of same shit. If I had to pick between the two, I wouldn't. I'd probably just take both of them. The issue is that they're heavily correlating setups, so I don't want to get if they're moving damn near the exact same. So I don't want to fucking hop into both on the exact same setup, and the probability is us both of them getting smacked. Especially as you guys know, I have lower margin on this account, so it's kind of tough. But we'll see, bro. We'll see. Whatever one starts to push with good volume first is the one I'm going to be getting into first. We'll just put it that way. Remember, 40-point stop loss on US 30, and then fucking 30-point stop loss on that. What we got, NASDAQ and US 30? Yeah. Got cooked, yo. Lafayette, New York, not trading half asleep again. We could have had a bigger day. I was about to take buys here in this range once we broke above this very minor high. I was being a little soft, bro. And then at the point that it started to push so fucking aggressively, waiting for a break above these highs, I think I was just hyper focused on US 30, if we're being completely honest. I just felt like it was in a better range. And so I was waiting for US 30's push above these highs. And so by the time we actually got into US 30, bro, Nas was like 60 points in profit, but doesn't matter what trade you took this morning. Everybody ate if you took buys, period. That's just kind of where it was at. And that's just like, I heard so many people talking about, oh, the markets are going to tank this week. And they potentially could, but I don't give myself any stipulation of where I believe the market's going to go. We trade price action on 5-minute time frame. I honestly could give a fuck about what's going on higher time frames. And being able to have an open mind like that, where I could potentially take a buy, and then within the very next 15 minutes change my bias to shorts is where scalpers definitely shine at. And a lot of people who try to add in that like swing trading technicalities of what you believe is going to happen on the 4-hour close and all this extra shit, I think is where a lot of people get caught up. It's just information overload, analysis paralysis, whatever you want to call it, and people get caught up. But that's just where I'm at. We got a nice top wick formed on this hourly, bro. So it's just like, what are we going to do? We're going to continue lower, or we're going to push higher? We got a pretty nasty bearish close on this last hourly candle, so we might be cooking here, bro. We might be cooking. Just waiting for one of these to drop with some good volume. If I hopped into US 30, even so, unless I split risk, if I hop into one, I'm not going to have too much margin left for the other one anyway, so I'm just going to pick one of these, bro. My bad, EP. I almost forgot about you, bro. I'm starting the Zoom right now. Okay, so Nas is holding like a motherfucker right here. We've pushed up 30 points since holding at this area that we just broke out of. US 30, on the other hand, looks like it wants to continue onwards. Watching every education video, taking it slow, but can't wait to actually start trading. Yeah, take it slow, bro. Gain confidence first. You know, when you hop in the markets, you are gonna get all the sweaty palms and all that anticipation, anyways, regardless of how much you learn. But you can't alleviate the probability of you trading based off of all those fucking gitsy ass emotions and shit by simply having a solidified plan. And the way I made out that entire educational course for free for all you guys, if anybody is here new, it's gonna alleviate a lot of things. You understand what's going to arise once you come into markets, and you'll be able to do something about it. It's like really really touching base with your inner zen, bro. Being able to remove yourself from your body, seeing that these things are happening, but not allowing yourself to trade off of them. That's where 90% of people fail. They say they're going to do a million things, and as soon as it comes to live markets, they get fucked. But like even talking about that and understanding how real of a possibility that is of these things arising when you start risking real capital or just starting trading in general, that's where it comes into play, big dog. How much did you make this morning? I damn near BE'd, bro. Oh, I have the other account up right now, so it's kind of fucked. I'm right. I made like 1,500 this morning outside of London session. So I made 20K this morning, but I got fucking raped during London session. So it was only about 1,500 bucks, bro. I got smacked today, or during London.
What up,
What up, nigga?
fam?
Oh, you're in your office?
Yeah,
Oh, that's so gangster, bro. Congratulations. That's nuts.
thanks, bro. Just posted. It's a good place to trade. I don't know why I'm like extra locked in.
Can you guys hear him or no? Probably not, actually. Desktop audio. All right, there we go. Wait, say something real quick.
Hello, hello.
No, say the word, bro.
I don't know if I can on live.
What word are you talking about?
Which one are you talking about?
White chocolate in this biz. Yeah, for those of you guys who don't know this EP trade, I pretty much not grew up trading with him, but for most of my trading career, my profitable trading career, I've been trading with EP. This guy loves to open up businesses and shit, so he's always doing all these different ventures and shit. But he is heavily in the trading space, just like us, and that's my nigga, G. White chocolate.
White
Courses Gold
chocolate.
helped a lot with psychology. Yeah, no, most definitely. EP's taking the course right now, right?
Yeah, bro. You just taught me everything I know. Come on, bro.
Yeah, hell yeah. What's up, bro? Are you moving out here soon or not?
Um, yeah, I'm gonna do a few trips. I'm gonna do one to out there, and then also like Charleston, South Carolina area. See how I like that.
Yeah, bro, you should come out here for the event. We got a big ass compound and shit. It'd be nice to have you.
What event?
We're a whole bunch of traders fighting shit.
Oh, that one,
Whole bunch of niggas in the building, just getting ratchet and shit.
yeah.
But we got a cool compound. We got a whole bunch of cars. The people who don't have cars are still renting cars, so it's just gonna be tons of content, bro, and tons of fun. I got a couple students that are coming out, like two. I mean two, that are coming out there in Zen Labs. So we'll like get a chef and shit. So once we're
Oh,
done with the compound, we'll cook food and shit and enjoy each other's company, bro. We got like one. So all of our couples, so six, and then Pit Marvin, his two boys, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got like 11 people staying there in a 13 bed
damn.
fucking bro. We bought out a whole compound and shit. So
That's it. That's it.
yeah, it's going hard. Is Mamba throwing down too? Nah, bro. Mamba doesn't attend. Mamba's on his own vibes, bro. He doesn't attend meetings like that and shit. He's not outside with the boys. He's outside with himself. He invites me to his own personal events, but not the other way around. He just doesn't do shit like that. He's too famous, bro. Like for shit like that, this guy's gonna have to have security everywhere he goes, and it's he's on a whole different level of fame compared to compared to what we got going on, bro. I can still walk outside in life and wear chains and shit. I mean, I always got a gun and shit, but just it's just a little different in life for sure. You got to move a little different. Last month was the best month. I paid all my bills and still had some to splurge. Damn, Sandra. Only London session. This month will be amazing. Can't wait. When Emmitt? To you too, EP. It's on. Fuck, bro. 1 second. I got it on my calendar. Hold on. Or my girl is my calendar, so it might be in her calendar. All right, so we're going out there the day of the 27th. Or wait, we're going out there the 26th. I think it's on the 27th, maybe the 28th, but we'll be out there night 26, 27, 28, 29. And then we'll be leaving the compound on the 30th, but then I'm going back to Miami cuz we'll be in Miami, but we're staying in a place called I'm not going to tell you guys, but we're staying in a place that's like 30 minutes away from there. And then fucking I'm going to stay in Miami for a day and then I'll be back home like April 1st and shit. So ball out with D Will. Are you in Miami? Any of you guys can go, bro. If you guys are in Miami, just call us and we'll bring you through the white chocolate scanner. He'll ask you a set list of questions. If you pass the test, great. You can come hang out. If not, you're weird as fuck. Then sucks to suck, bro.
Yeah, you gotta check in with me first.
That's right. Holy shit, market is pushing right back up, bro. What the fuck? What do you trade nowadays, bro? You trading the same shit as me, I assume still? Or are you trading SPY or what?
Same thing, bro. Same as always. Nas, US 30, but I also do gold.
Yo, how has gold been so far? We filled
It's
in the rest of that gap. Yeah, gold is about to fucking send it, bro.
Yeah, I've been in gold buys since the morning, so I'm up right now on the live account.
Yeah, if I were to take gold, it would have been at this whole rejection area that just happened in the past, I don't know, like 10 minutes. You start to break above highs. I mean, if this, yeah, this is the third retail ass trend line tap. So if price is going to reverse now, great. But if not, I think you're at least coming up to this area. This should be coming all the way up to highs again. Oh my God,
That's exactly what my trade is.
bro. Yeah.
All the way to those swing highs at the very top.
Yeah, market's definitely going to send it. I'm not a gold trader until London session, which has been, I have honestly not been enjoying gold during London. But gotta
Should be
feed the
fun.
legacy traders out here and shit. So that's the reason why I hop on with them. Look at US 30. US 30 is kind of holding on this very retail trend line tap too. Kind of this whole area that we broke out of. So it'll be interesting to see what happens right here. Are we going to continue onwards and we'll go ahead and get in aggressively and expect price to come up to these next highs, or is this bitch just about to range, bro? But we might have our first trade in here soon. Send details to the VIP. It's right here, bro.
Both hourly candles on US 30 don't really have a bottom wick at all.
We were waiting for the top wick to form. I mean, a little bit, yeah. But what an aggressive bearish candle that closed the previous one. It's right here, bro. You need this? Get tickets. General admissions 39.19. VIP is 26 268.61. Premium seating. What? Premium seating is 55.20, and then they have a VIP booth.
Is it one fight or is it a bunch?
No, it's a bunch of fights.
Nice.
They got a VIP booth. I assume I'm in a VIP booth. I don't know. I won't be. I'm VIP, so whatever the fuck that entails. I'm just with their sponsors to this. Funded Hero is one of the sponsors of this entire shit, and I'm going to be with them. So wherever the fuck they're sitting at is where I'll be. Interesting. But yeah, you guys can purchase Traders Fight League where kings are crowned and frauds get exposed. Sai is fighting McLaurin. Danny Trades is potentially no, he hasn't been trading. James Storms wants to fight, but that's probably not going to happen. John Paul is not fighting anymore. Isaac Banks is definitely fighting. AJ Trades is Cowboy. Cowboy's not fighting. He wants to, but he called out somebody who declined, and then all this. So this is actually not as updated as it should be, but it'll be fun, bro. It's more of just a whole bunch of traders to be able to connect and enjoy time with each other and all that good shit. Let's go ahead and hop into this first trade of the day here soon, yeah. Shit, I'm kind of even open to take a 30-point stop loss, bro. It's just like we can open it up
You're
a
gonna take a
little
30
bit.
pointer?
What's that?
You're taking a 30 pointer?
Yeah, volume's not even that crazy during this time, bro. Like ATR always reads heavy just because it's we have volume right before this, obviously. But yeah, volume is usually not even that crazy. Get ready, y'all. This next push, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in for first trade of the PM week. Risk between 30 to 40 points. Just put it that way. So if it comes back down here and rejects off of this median price, we could potentially decide what to do. But that's where I'm at. You guys will see as soon as I get in. You literally see my P&L up on the screen. So get ready to fuck around with the fuck around. All right, we just hopped into buys. Oh shit, is that a new 15-minute open? It is what it is. I'm in. Let's run it real quick. New 15-minute open. We don't have any bottom wick form. We have some good aggression behind this. We're already sitting up 400. I'll be completely honest with you. I kind of want to protect position already just because we don't have that bottom wick. But it looks like we're coming at target one's already hit anyways. Target one's already hit anyway. Holy fuck, bro. We're up 1,200 bucks.
It's a
So you guys
beautiful.
can pull out. We'll pull out a little 6% there. Put your stops to break even and put a massive W in the chat. Everybody, we got 70 people in this bitch. And then we'll see if we can take it all the way up to these highs here for a 1 to 3. If not, the position's already protected, and the account is sitting at 3% or 6% for the week so far.
Bam. We got in the same trade with you.
Bro, you know what time it is, bro. Don't be hopping in here and not taking my trades, bro. Whatever trade you call, I'm taking guaranteed, bro. I know what time it is with you.
Exactly. Trusted signal providers right here.
Yo, we got 4 W's and 90 people. I'm not doing a giveaway, bro. Where's the participation, bro? I dyed my fucking hair blue for you guys. Look at my shit, bro. Look, somebody called me the white Chris Tucker today. I was like, that shit kind of disrespectful, bro. Yeah, there we go. It's the same fucking people, but I dig it. I'll take it. Where's the poll? No poll, bro. Just put up a once you put up a W. Once you put up a W, the hidden poll comes up, but you have to put the W up for it to be initiated. There it is. You see it now? Price is pushing. We're up another 9% right now. If I pulled out another partial, which I'm not going to, shit, we could be up. Shit, I could be up 10% in this bitch right now if I pulled out smooth. I'm kind of chilling though. I want to get an aggressive 20% today if we're gonna push. So let's see what we can do.
I think it's gonna push through the highs even further.
I got full TP set literally right at these highs here, y'all. At target. Target 2 just got absolutely fucking destroyed, yo. Let's go. If you guys didn't pull out any parcels yet, we're sitting up pretty much in this whole rejection area, so just be cautious of that. But in 2 minutes, if this candle closes here, bro, and next candle opens up and starts to break above these highs, we're smooth sailing, bro. Either way, it doesn't matter. You guys should have already partialed out, so we're just trying to see if we can aggressively get some higher wins, bro. Yeah, EP come out. So even if you don't want to go to the fighting event, bro, you don't even gotta. You could just be coming and hanging with the boys and shit.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. I haven't seen you since Argentina. I've never met Dollar and all them. Be cool to see the guys. Yeah, this shit is ripping.
That's beautiful. We're sitting up. We're sitting up 10% again. Should I pull out another 5%? What would be the point? It's five. It's either that or all the way up to highs is for it to hit the 20.
I think you can
Yeah,
just wait till the
fuck it.
highs.
Yeah, let's wait till exactly. It's just we're already protected. I just want to be up on this account so I can get aggressive with margin. That's my whole issue here. Is margin's been pretty tough for me, bro.
Okay. I mean,
There we go. We're
waiting
cooking
till
here, yo.
highs.
I'm gonna pull out half of this bitch at another 6%. So now we're sitting up pretty much 12% for the day. I'm removing my TP and just letting this bitch coast. That's what I'm talking about. We started at 9,800. We're at 10,900, so we're up 11%, 11% for the day.
Damn.
EP's
I
still
don't know
holding his
what.
full position, I think.
Yeah. I don't know why the fuck y'all ain't buying this guy's signals in the morning. He's hitting in PM. He has to be hitting in AM.
No, I think most of these people are in there. Put a one in the chat if you guys are in Zen Lab. If not all of you guys, put a one in the chat if you're in Zen Lab. Put a two in the chat if you're gay. If you're not in Zen Lab. Thank you, Emmitt, for the trade and the sauce pop. I got you, bro. Much love. One. Luna says gay. Kingdom, solid. Three, that boy Ivy don't want to put the two out there. Yeah, we watching, big dog. One, but not premium. I'm in Kingdom, solid, bro. Anto's gay. It's all good, bro. Target three is about to get hit. At this point, nothing, bro. We're just gonna pull out and full at target three and call it a day. That's what
I'm
I'm gonna
holding
do.
past the highs. I'm holding till
There it is. If you guys don't want to pull out in full here, that's fine. At least pull out most of that shit, please. If you want to keep a small runner, we can. All right. So now we're sitting up 11-4. So now we're sitting up holy fuck for the day. And I still got a partial running just because this bitch is sending it. And I just want to see if it can continue on. Waiting for EP to pull out of this bitch.
I ain't pulling out. Yeah, I'm holding till prior day New York highs. Like a 1 to 4 for me.
Wow, let's go, baby. Holy shit. That's a fucking W. It's gonna be a really fun week, I think. Look at this aggressive. Since we were talking about potentially taking shorts down at these lows, bro, it pushed up almost 200 points at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's like fucking crazy to me. That's actually nuts.
Oh, TP's about it's about to hit TP for me at the prior day
Prior
New
day
York
highs
high.
here. Yeah, this is about to be like full. To be honest with you, I won't even be able. Yeah, target for this guy here, y'all. It won't even be that much extra bread if I held for just because I have so little in. Let's pull out. Let's pull out in full. I'm out. Let's go, baby. Big fucking W. Smash my targets, me too, bro. I'll give myself fucking W's in this bitch. I'll spam my own fucking W's. Let's go, baby. They told
Let's go.
Trump he better chill. Trump ain't chilling shit, bro. Trump is not chilling fucking shit. Well, you got the biggest Trump lover, and the white chocolate loves Trump, bro. All white people love Trump, though. It's a white people thing. WWW, yeah, for sure. Solid, solid. Let's eat lobster tonight. Steak and lobsters, bro. Who started that shit in the kingdom? Yes, 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 bro. Fuck around with the fuck around. Bro, we're 22 minutes in. We started at, what, 1:45? So 15, what is that, 30, damn near 40 minutes of just cook. That's beautiful. Lovely day. Damn, that bitch sent it, bro. Golly. Are you taking another trade? Um, Fuck no, bro. I'm not taking another trade. 1926. I had to think about it for a second, and I'm up. I'm up. 19. 20, I'm up. We're up. 20, I wanted to hit 20%. I didn't hit 20% by $80. So yes, we're taking another trade.
Bam.
No, I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. Emmett, turn the monitor upside down and eat the candle. It'll go higher. Bro, we went as high. It's high. We're as high as we can be. You know, I used to get a lot higher back in my smoking days, but as far as trading goes, this is as high as I want to be. I'm good. That's 100 points during PM session. You know, what more can we ask for in this bitch?
How much do you make on that trade?
I only have a 10K account, bro. $1,900 on my small account.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yeah,
Hey,
I'm not trading the big account during this session just because I've never traded
1900
this
is
session
1900,
before,
man.
bro. So I want to get like used to it and shit. To be honest with you.
Yeah.
Adhia said, "What should I do now, bro? You're fuck. You didn't take the trade. You really want to trade? I think the best plan of action would just to be close your eyes and pick one button and just press it and pray to God that it fucking hits. What else are you gonna do? Just not take a trade and wait till the next day? That'd be fucking insane. Hey, I purchased the pass account. Oh, that's what you were talking about. Message me, bro. Dax has to pay tonight? Yeah, it's gonna pay tonight, bro. Yeah, it's true. We don't catch trades like this on PM sessions. That's a fact, bro. Yeah, DM me at here on either on Discord right here, like create a ticket. This would be your, if you want the quickest route to me, do this, bro. Um, take this link and then come over here and go to support center, go up to support center and put in a support ticket, bro. And I got you. It's right here. There's the link. For the rest of you guys, I think we're going to be giving away 2 accounts this week. Are we not? I said as soon as you get up to 100 likes, we're going to be giving away 2 accounts. Probably one is going to be on stream, and the other one is going to be how it usually is. All you guys have to do is go to that free fucking group that I just posted a link 5 times to, and oh damn, it's already done deal. We got 2 more likes here, and we still have until fucking Wednesday until the giveaway. You guys are damn near guaranteeing getting the two accounts. Might as well go run that shit up now, and then we'll have 1 account for stream whenever the fuck I want. So make sure you show up every day, whether I'm having a good stream or bad stream or whatever the case may be. You never know when I'm just gonna give away an account. Might even give away 3 accounts. You never know if you don't show up. But this one is guaranteed. You come in here, you put your thumbs up down here, and then Zen Enforcer once a week is giving away a 25K free fucking account. EBK J Boo and Brother Lynch Hung. Yeah, Brother Lynch Hung is crazy, bro. I used to listen to him when I was a young little bop. Ignorant as fuck. You know who Brother Lynch Hung is, EP?
Never heard of him.
This nigga be talking about eating babies and shit, bro. Yo, Zing Pao, you must be a weird dude, bro. That's for dark moment people. You really be talking about eating babies and shit, bro. That nigga's on a whole. Some people who should be in the institution is him, bro. Or you? Maybe it's you, big dog. BLH is a legend. Yeah, she's a savage, bro. I will take the draw win when I am ready, bro. Thanks. Hell yeah, bro. Yeah, as soon as you're ready, you just let me know, and I'll just cut out the giveaway, and we'll just give you the account instead. As soon as you're ready, so you just let me know. EP says if we hit target 5, where is that at? Up here. That he'll dye his hair blue, too. Hell yeah. Yo, Emma, do you know the name of the island Mamba went to? Why, bro? You trying to stalk that shit? Was it just beautiful? You talking about the one with all the Cuban rooftops and shit? Did he go to Little St. James? I'm not sure, bro. Is EP in gold buys? EP's been in gold buys.
Yeah.
He's getting a very. I mean, for all you guys who usually hear, bro, we got this first tap. Very retail. No one sees this trend line at this point. Then when you get that second reaction, creating another structure point, that's when everybody and their mama's fucking drawing it. And then that third tap, more often than not, you're always going to get that very retail reaction because everybody sees it, and there's a lot of people who simply short the market because we tap a fucking trend line. That's why you get that big push of up. But now, continuing up, and I think we all know that gold is going up this week. Now that he's starting to hold this area that he just broke out of to push higher, in my opinion, he can at least hold all the way up into his bitch before reassessing what to do. But EP don't trade like that anymore, bro. EP's gonna come and hit all the way up to these highs, sitting all the way the fuck up here for a one to holy shit, or he's not, and his trade will break even. That's just he doesn't manage his trades the way that we do. He started getting a lot of gray hairs, and decided to chill the fuck out because he's only 18 years old.
Nah, I got in hella low. I'm up right now on the live 3,500 on this trade. If it smacks, it'll be like 10K.
Solid, bro. Easy money. If you're not in the lab, join now. You the man. Forex Rebel. Did you change your name? Forex Rebel. Brother Lynch, Season of the Sickness. Bro, that shit's crazy. I will never put that shit in the background. That's going to attract the crowd. Having a Hellcat and then a dude rapping about eating babies and shit, I'm gonna have a whole following that I don't want nothing to do with, bro. I already don't want the following of the Hellcat people bring along, a whole bunch of little ass kids and shit. I already have a baseline of hardworking 9 to 5 individuals, like 25 and above, and now we gonna have fucking 15 to 20 year old little demon little fuckers running around still living at their mom's house trying to get out that bitch and stuff, bro. And I got the Harridan match. Oh man, I fucked up. I got Zen in the back of my head. Just maybe an image I should have thought about, but it's all good. I did. That's my IG. Oh, okay, solid. Yeah, the Rooftop Beauty. You know the name of the island? I don't, bro. You want to visit sometime soon? It was the oh, I don't know, bro. Just put it that way. Paul would be so lost. Where is Paul at? I'm 40 listening to that in my Tesla Plaid. You listen to somebody talk about eating babies in your Tesla Plaid, gang. That's crazy. What you working on over there, AP? You have a whole ass. Can you show your camera? This guy has a fucking massive office that he works every day by himself, bro. For no fucking reason. You make too
It's
much
because
money, bro.
I get bored working at home. I need to switch up because this is like near my Muay Thai and normal gym.
It's like he's showing like half of that. Look at that shit, bro.
Just
When
invest in
when he
yourself.
first told me about that shit, I'm like, bro, for what, bro? I don't like being at home when I work. I want to come out there, bro, and like decorate that shit with you. He said, "Let's go,
Yeah.
EP." Oh my god, how big is that shit? Too big, bro, for no reason.
Upstairs is 1,300 square feet. Downstairs is 2,000.
That's a whole ass apartment in NYC. Hell nah, bro. That's like four of them. I've seen those videos.
Bro, I'd love to be sleeping here sometimes because there's 2 showers and a kitchen.
Oh no shit.
Yeah.
When I used to run the moving business, I used to just get so fucked up going to the club and shit because I was a bouncer while I was running a moving business. That I would come in the morning. I would give the ladies like the clipboards to give to the movers. I would blow up my air mattress. I would close the door because I had a separated office where I could see out to all the ladies, but they couldn't see in towards me. Bro, I passed the fuck out, bro, all day. And then as soon as I woke up at like 5, 6 o'clock, they knew it was up, but I used to get a bonus from the owner every day. Not a bonus, I would try it as a bonus, but he used to give me, I think it was like 400 or 500 bucks every day to fill up all the trucks because we had like 8 operating trucks. But you don't need to fill them bitches up every day. They weren't driving that much. So we used like 200 bucks to fill it up. And then I would take the rest every day as a bonus. And then I would give the ladies like 50 extra bucks a day to just kind of let me be a little shithead 18-year-old fucking savage, bro. I used to. Y'all talk about partying days. Ain't nobody used to party, and I wasn't broke then, but I was broke partying like a motherfucker. I used to get crazy. Had all the connections, got anywhere for free, and that's why I don't
Those
do
are the
that shit
days,
anymore.
though.
I guess it's just bad for me. I'm not the person. EP's kind of like that too. If I'm gonna go drinking or something, like I'm not gonna like, oh, let's have fucking 2 beers and enjoy our time. I'm getting fucked up, bro.
Yeah,
Guaranteed. I'm
like
drinking everything, all the bottles. EP too. He's just nasty.
that's like the only way to do it because like you're already fucking yourself up by drinking, so you might as well commit and go all the way.
Might as well send it, yeah. And I just you got so used to doing that shit every fucking day for years. That's how I met my girl, right? I met my girl at the club with my shirt off, wasted off of not alcohol, but I was wasted. Shirt off at a rave club, bro, and I thought she was pretty, so I walked up to her and shit, and I guess she enjoys weird, sweaty niggas in the middle of the night saying what's up to her. So the Riz was on point, and we secured the bag. My first trade on silver, and I lost 2K. Amber Rose, that's crazy. Mm. I didn't tell you, but you know who Amber Rose is? The dude, the bald headed lady who was used to date and shit, the big BBL lady.
uh, yeah, I think so.
That's her, bro. I got her in the chat.
Oh, really?
The actual one, yeah. She's been following along the past couple weeks.
She trying to make bread.
Trying to make that bread. Welcome back to the stream, Amber Rose Miles. Bro literally said, "Fuck it, I'm a crack." The issue is I don't remember much of that night, bro, at all. I used to be bad. That's why I got 2 DUIs because I used to just like I just used to be crazy, bro. I used to fucking drink and drive like a fucking madman. And then once I got my second DUI, I was like, all right, bro, let's are we trying to just go to jail? Or are we trying to like be normal people out here? And now I'm normal people out here. I don't drink and drive. I'll be bringing my car down to Miami. I will be getting fucked up, but I'll have the pregnant ladies drive, so we just be chilling. Bro used to do weed on CLC. Nah, I mean weed was just a guarantee. I used to do a lot of other shit than weed, bro. I was aggressively a real nigga every day. We'll just put it that way. A bird never flew on one wing. Whatever the hell that means, bro. I dig it.
Whatever that means.
I fuck with it though. Well, I never went crazy here in the States. Tijuana Rosarito is just right there. Did you not get the undercover name? Coca. Oh, okay. We don't got to be undercover here, bro. You just put it up, put it in the out. Now that we're beyond the piece of shit vibes, we can reminisce and laugh about what we used to be, you know?
I'm still on those vibes. I can't reminisce yet.
You said I'm still on those vibes? Yeah. Yo, as long as you guys don't drink and drive, I'm that, not corny, it's not corny, but I'm that fucking dude that, if we're going out and shit and we're drinking and somebody wants to drink and drive around me, well then we're not hanging out, bro. I'm hella against that shit. It ruined a big part of my life. If I didn't drink and drive, this is kind of crazy, you guys. I used to take a pilot class, but did you know this about me, bro? I took pilot classes for like a year,
Really?
maybe like a year and a half, yeah. And I was on my last class before I started going up in the sky and getting
No
pilot
way.
miles and shit with an instructor so I can get my private pilot license. And that was when I got my first DUI. The class right before I was gonna go up to the sky and shit and fucked up my whole shit. My grandpa was an admiral in the Navy, and then once he was done, he started teaching at Embry Riddle. He used to teach people like aeronautical engineering and shit. So he used to teach kids how to fly. And I used to come out here in Florida, bro, and like fly the coastline with him and shit. And I think he was the one who helped pay for my class, but I fucked it all up. I think I'd be a pilot right now. How boring would that shit be, to be honest? An airline pilot or some gay shit like that. But I would have been a pilot right now if I wouldn't wasn't for drinking and driving. So I guess
Everything happens for a reason.
thank God for drinking and driving. I don't know what the fuck this is. Fuck yo. Oh shit. Gotta drop coast. Thanks, bro. Take care, yo. Party boy, hey, big time. Yeah, I have an extreme case of light skin magic. I had to use it at some point, you know? Everything
Yo, I
happens
want to
for
get
a
my
reason.
pilot
Facts.
license now. That should be sick. Like
Yeah.
once, like once I'm old enough for our family, have like a little tiny little plane that fits just us,
Yeah.
and fly
Yeah,
around.
bro, and you can get like another crazy story. I remember coming out here one day and my grandpa drove us in butt fuck nowhere and we just like turned off into the trees. We drove probably for like 2 miles and then boom, it just opened up to a huge private grass airstrip and there's houses all around it. There was probably like 10, 15 houses there with hangars, bro. And every house had their own fucking plane. One of his friends lived there, so we like went up, we went to go have dinner with them. It was my first time riding an ATV. I think that's why I remember it so much. And the dude had to go to the store, some meeting or some shit like that. I don't know what the fuck he did. He opened up his hangar. Him and his wife pulled out his plane, and they walked that bitch to the runway. And then bro just took off at his house and went to go fly and do whatever the fuck he was doing while we ate dinner with his wife. I'm like, yo, what kind of world is it? There's so many crazy things to do in the world. You just money really does buy, just unlocks the map, you know.
Yep.
And I think I can get a pilot license now. I mean, I haven't got my second DUI since I got the first one at 17 and then 21, so like 9 years ago.
17?
Yeah,
Damn, you
bro.
got one at 17? What the heck?
17 and 21. Yeah, bro, I was aggressive light skin magic. I'm telling you, I fucking went crazy out here. Yeah, I was partying, bro. It's my brother came back from Job Corps, which is like if you're a shitty fucking kid, they send you off to like a alternative school. And when he came back, he was just a gangster, like a part of gangs and all this shit. He was drinking, he was smoking. And I think I just looked up to him when I was like, this is I was like 14, 15 years old. So I started smoking young as fuck, bro. Like I think even younger than 14, 15. I was like in 6th grade just smoking and shit. Smoking out of little pen caps and all this shit. And so I think I just got introduced to the party life and all that like really, really soon. And it's the reason why now I'm such a fucking cornball. I don't care to do any of that shit. There's just so much more to life than seeing it through the lens of intoxication, you know? Life can be beautiful naturally too. You just gotta figure out what you love and shit. Or just get old. Maybe I'm just getting old. I don't know. I'm fucking 30 years old. I'm telling you, whoever has a fucked up history is a huge millionaire, bro. Yeah, no, that's fact, bro. Not nobody that I know that's mega success, and maybe it's just because I attract that because of my energy, but all my friends are doing very well for themselves, like really well for themselves. All have like some fuck ass background where they did some degenerate, like fuck the system kind of shit back in their days. You know, maybe it takes the type of little crazy to get to that point. But I also don't kind of hang out with little cornballs and shit. So maybe that's the reason. I don't know. So the homie went through Border Patrol Academy, took his ass partying to celebrate. Fool disappeared. Fool got caught at a DUI checkpoint, got locked up and fired. That's ridiculous, bro. That's good though. Now he doesn't have to be hunting humans for a living. You know, it's pretty gangster of a job. I can relate to that story. I'm mad chill now. I don't care what people do to their time. I know we talk about all these fucking Hispanic people be stealing our jobs and shit. They never stole my job, bro, because I'm a hard working ass nigga. They stealing your job. Maybe you should work harder. I don't know. Your work should be better. Although if I could pay a dude $3, like I'd be talking to EB, but if I could pay somebody $3 versus paying somebody $30 an hour, bro, let me tell you what. I'm probably gonna go for the $3 an hour guy too. So maybe I'm definitely a part of the problem. Me, my last comment, Emmett. It's either online money, meme coin, or trading or business. Meme coin is for people that I definitely don't want to be around. That's like degenerate fucking kids and shit that just got their big push with being fucking retarded or something. I don't believe in any of that shit. Trading, legendary. Online money is just straight entrepreneurship now. With everything that we have going on with AI, software, and such, and just creating a business out of things that make people's lives easier is kind of the aspect you have to look at. If you can't make a living, I'm not saying get rich and all that shit. I'm just simply saying if you can't make a living and be able to pay your bills off the rip in the next like 5 years, even the next like 3 years, like bro, there's something you're doing wrong. It is not hard to make 5K a month online. I didn't say 30K, 50K, get rich as fuck. I'm just saying you don't need to work for somebody who's paying you $10 an hour, $20 an hour. How much is that a week, bro? $20 an hour. $20 an hour times 8 is what? 160 a day. Oh my god, 160 a day times 5. That's 800 a week, which is 3200 a month. And then after taxes, you're probably making like 20. That's fucked. Anyways, I hate talking about numbers because I sound like an asshole, but it's not it's easy to do online and shit, bro. We'll just put it that way. I'm going to stop going into that. Read my last comment. Bro, I've been trading London session with you. Just going to say I'm about to go get a payout at 18. You changed my life. Damn, bro. That's fucking insane. How long have you been trading for? 3,200 a month is crazy. Could you imagine? When I was younger, I used to think that what was I making like $7, $8 an hour at Panda Express, bro? How much money is that? $8 an hour times 8. That's $64 a day. $320 a week. 1280 a month. Your boys came a long way, bro. You guys should be very proud. I'm very proud. Oh shit. I'm in America, by the way. For anybody new, I'm simply talking about America, bro. I'm not throwing shade. I know that's a lot of money in other places and shit. I'm just talking about. I've lived in fucking Colorado, California, and Florida. Those are low fucking wages, bro. Join you and Mamba in December. Just been learning off of y'all and copying some of y'all's trade. That's nasty, bro. What a fucking incredible time to be alive. You're doing something that 90% of people never achieve, which is acquiring a payout. You do it again, now you're really aggressively pushing into the 1% range. Things that people don't want to talk about. It's definitely tough to get a payout from a firm. It's the hardest way to extract money from the markets because you have so many things working against you as far as rules and such. And you out here kicking ass at 18 years old, bro. It's only the beginning. And the more you can transition your shit to live capital, it's just the easier and easier things get. Not at first, the transition could be pretty fucking rough for sure. I definitely admit that, because you put $500 into a prop firm account, and the most you can lose is 500, even though you're risking $100,000 account shit. But you put, 5K into a personal account, you lose 500 in a day. It's like sometimes the stipulation for you to get into the next trade because it's all your money and shit. But there's nothing like opening yourself up to having zero rules to trade, bro. You make this amount of money per day, you withdraw that shit and moving on. And not a lot of people talk about that shit because it's so much easier to acquire funding from prop firms and shit. But the goal for all of you guys, just like with taxes, should be to figure out a way to bring as much money home as you possibly can and not give it to the next man, you know? Prop firms are a good stepping stone. 9 to 5s are a good stepping stone. But once you can go to entrepreneurship or once you can go into live capital, that's secondary to nothing. Bring as much money home as you possibly can. Did you learn how to make orange chicken? Yeah, bro, it's actually a lot of ketchup. You know the sauce is a lot of ketchup, like a gang of ketchup to make orange chicken. It's fucking disgusting.
What?
Ketchup,
No shot.
um, the amount of sugar. We used to put like a pitcher, I think a pitcher and a half of sugar. Bro, it's fucking nasty, bro. Orange chicken is god
Yeah,
tier
I don't,
nasty
I
bitch
don't think
shit.
you're making it the same as Panda Express.
I worked there for 2 years, bro.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I made 9.50 per hour at my first job when I was 16. How old are you now, bro?
950. That's more than what I made at mine.
9.50 an hour. Wow, inflation is so fucked. Let's be honest here. That's seventy
Bro,
six dollars a day, bro. You were making 380 a week and 1520 a month. 1520 a month, bro. I can't. What do you? I'd be fucked. It's like think about what you can do with that shit. I'll be fucked. Yo, what's up, Luca? No fucking limit. You should be in this bitch, bro. We about to hop off now, but good to see you in here, big dog. We just hit the biggest trade of our life. We're all millionaires now. We all decided to last week that we're going to put a huge pool of money into my bank account. I put all of that money into a trading account, and then I max leveraged the whole bitch for this trade. And we're all rich as fuck now, brother. Luca hopped in. Let's fucking go. Yeah, Luca needs to hop in here one day for sure. He's about to hop on the stream though, like 15 minutes. Legend in the building, 41. I made 675 back in 1999. Damn, bro.
bro, I'm 1999. I made $6 an hour like 5 years ago.
Six an hour at Trader Joe's.
No, no, no. I worked at a moving company when I was 15 or 16, but it was under the table during COVID. So they didn't pull me. They didn't pay me full wage because it was under the table.
God damn, bro, that's disrespectful as fuck.
So I worked 8 hours a
Holy
day for
shit.
like what's that? 8 times 6, 40, 48.
If you guys want to do that, we can do that. We can pull up a whole bunch of money and then risk it on one single trade and see if everybody gets rich or I just blow everybody's shit. It'd be a good YouTube video. Yeah, and with the account, I didn't know what a consistency was. And mine is 15%, which is kind of ass. But since it's so high, my payout gonna be huge for me. Holy fuck, bro! 15% consistency. So for the
That's
people who don't, that's
very low.
crazy, bro. One
If you ever
single
win,
trade can't make up more than 15% of your entire profit. So let's say you made 10K for the month. One single trade has to be your biggest trading day cannot be 1,500 bucks. It has to be lower than that, which is fucked. That's that's aggressively rough. Yeah, with the account, San Diego wages, I thought I was balling. I'm from Massachusetts. The state minimum here is like $15, I think. Yeah, Florida's like 11 or some shit like that. What is the minimum wage in Florida? Shit, where Luca lives in EP is probably $20 an hour. $14
Yeah,
an hour in Florida. California's got to be what, 20, 25 an hour?
I think it's like 21. I'm
Holy
pretty sure.
shit. 1690?
What?
However, specific industries have higher rates. Okay, good. Yeah, make sure we
Okay.
pay our fast food workers 18 to $24 an hour. Fuck a doctor.
Dude, Panda Express over here. I went into Panda Express like 3 days ago, and they had a flyer on the wall. The managers make 120 a year.
Yeah, bro. That's how I was so excited I was gonna be in the six figure club being a assistant manager. But then I left. I left to go work for a moving company because I wanted more of a manly job instead of smelling like cabbage every fucking day, which is nuts. That was actually insane. Emmitt, read my last comment before Luca, bro. Bro, just put that shit up again. 800 a week. What about it? What about 800 a week, big dog? $21 for fast food? Yeah. My girl be craving weird shit. She was craving at McGriddle last week. No, this was this week. This is this weekend. And it was
McGriddle?
like 16 bucks for two McGriddles, hash browns,
Really?
something like that. I could be wrong.
Shit got expensive out of nowhere.
It's definitely expensive though, yeah. California's $20 for fast food if they own more than 10 stores, I think. And I'm working at Walmart for $16 an hour in a small city, so it's the best job I can get while going to school. Yeah, $16 is not a bad. Well, bro, like I'm in the city, bro. So if I make fucking less than even 100, what is $100 an hour? $100 an hour times eight. That's $800 a day.
That's like
So that's
that's
like
like 18K
4K
a
a
month.
week, which is how much is that a month? Or wait, eight
That's
hundred
like
dollars a
16K
day,
a month.
16K a month. Yeah, I mean that's still 16K a month is good. Even in this, I think making 10K a month is good in the city. Even if not, you're just living outside
Really?
of your means and being a dickhead. Come on, bro. 10K a month, you can afford
No,
a
but
house for.
remember, like 50% goes to taxes, so it's like 5K a
Oh,
month.
facts, facts. If you got 50% going to taxes, you should you guys need to really dig into finances because that's fucking it. If anything over 20%, even working a 9 to 5, that's fire your
Well, it depends
CPA
on
for
your
sure.
job. Like if you're working at like a sales job, that's all 50% tax.
Hell no, not for me. I did sales out Roto-Rooter. I still was in the same bracket as everybody else, depending on how much I made. I mean,
I
I
thought
made
bonuses
commission
would
based
count towards.
off of what I sold, but it was once it
I,
came to the check level, it was I filed and did the same percent as everybody else. There's no difference.
I thought bonuses are all counted as 50% tax.
Maybe bonuses, but I'm on a check to check basis. I was still at 30%. That's so fucked. My bro works, he manages a Walmart, bro, and he got like a 70K bonus. Bro, you in Edwin, are you in here, bro? He got like a 70K bonus the end of last year. And they took like 40% of that shit, his biggest bonus ever, and took 40% of that shit off the rip. And it's his bonus for fucking managing like 260 employees, bro. I'd be like, man, I quit, bro. That's so crazy to me.
That's
Yeah,
crazy.
I agree. 10K a month is good. Yeah, I mean, you can have a nice car, bro. Let's say 2K a month goes towards house. Anything above that, I mean, if you got a
I
family, I
don't.
guess it is what it is. But
I
you can
don't think
get
you can get in a
2K a
house for
month.
less than 2K a month
Yeah, you
now,
live in
especially.
California, bro. That's your issue, not the rest of the fucking world. That's not you. Even the big city over here, you can get like a two-bedroom, two bath for 2K a
Really?
month. Yeah, I mean, are we talking fancy high-rise lifestyle? Or are we talking a
No, I'm
fucking
just
two
saying. Well,
bedroom,
like
two bath?
two beds are expensive. Like I
Yeah, but
thought
you
two
live in
beds start around
California, bro. You're like on the whole different planet of the rest of You're like Miami and Cali pretty much are the same. Like being in LA and shit, I think that's a whole different category of if you live in LA and Miami and you're not making 20 racks a month, I think you're just kind of you're cooked, bro. It's so fucked. Like you're fortunate, bro. 2K a month for living. Let's just say $1,000 a month for food. What else do people have to pay for? Their car. How much is a car
going
now? Like a
out,
thousand or
rent.
maybe 500 for a normal car.
I'd say like going out would be like probably
No, you can't go
100.
out while you're trying to get rich. I mean, I did, so we did.
I was gonna say I still do right now.
And let's just put $2,000 through leisure. So living, food, car, leisure. You're sitting at 2, 3, 4, 5, 5,500 a month in bills, and then you still get to save back 4,500. You add a woman into that, or you add kids into that, you're cooked. Those all have to come afterwards for sure. 10K a month in Texas, I'm rich. Yeah, like that's 10K a month is good. 10K, and you still have money to go to the strip club, bro, and look at some booty.
That's the most important one.
That's the most important. Yeah, you can
That comes
throw
before the kids.
5 to 800 into strip club a month. You can keep your dopamine up, so you just enjoy like, oh my god, once I get rich, I can be throwing fucking thousands of booty. But for now, $3
All
a
right, real
song.
real shit. I truly do not understand the point of strip clubs? Like what's the reason of throwing a bunch of money compared
Men
to throwing
being
like
men, bro. It's nice to be that guy that can just throw money at people and feel like you're the shit for the night, or just whose dick is bigger kind of language. That's what people do it for. Every time we go to the strip club now, because we always get like a personal section and shit, it's just a whole bunch of testosterone ass motherfuckers just throwing money for no fucking reason. There's no reason behind it, bro. It's retarded. All of it's dumb. If you do that shit while you're still on the come up and not doing well for yourself, you're just retarded. If you're going to buy designer clothes just because you want to look good while you're out and you're only making 3 to 5K a month, you're just retarded. I don't even wear designer clothes now, so
I
I mean it's
thought
not
maybe
fully true, but I for like when I go, I don't. No, I don't. I wear a fucking t-shirt and shorts every single day, and I can afford my whole fucking closet to be double designer. They're just retarded, bro. People got their shit fucked up, and it's all like a scam. It's all these big companies. We all want some type of status in life, and they prey upon that shit and force us to buy things that do nothing but make sure that we never actually get up to that status level. The cars, the clothes, the jewelry, all that extra shit. It's just to keep people down. You should see when I go to Ybor City. It's like a downtown here in Tampa, bro. Every nigga, every person. I'm talking like 40% of people all got these huge fucking Cuban chains and all these rings and watches and all that. Whether it's real or not, bro, it's incredible how much people are just down to stay down because they want to look some type of certain way that when they're out without actually being up. And then you got those weird nerd fucks who grew up in a household where they don't care about any of that type of status quo, and they just silently grind in the background. And their bank account just be sending it, bro, and you would never even know it because they're just focused on the right things. I went the opposite way. I grew up in a household where my mom wanted like all the fancy things in life and a nice car before she can afford it, and she always had nice clothes and shit. So don't think I'm the other end. I fucked all that shit up my whole life, but I see it so clearly now, bro. I won't let the uh, I won't let the white man tear me down with all the bullshit they sell to you. You make all of this money and then you give it right back to these niggas, bro. I'm just not that person. Never will be anymore. Not anymore. All my shit stays in house. And there's more things to life than showing a motherfucker you have nice clothes. Like this boy EP travels all around the world, bro. I don't know how many countries this fuckers went to. But you won't see, I mean, you might see him with a Cuban one day. I don't know. You about to buy a Cuban,
nah.
bro?
Nah, I've only bought one thing, like maybe two things ever of designer. That's not. I could care less about that shit.
Bro, it's at Hong Kong Strip. What you know about Hong Kong Strip? Come on, G. All right, bro. Let's get out of this bitch. We got 50 people still watching while we're just rambling. Yo, EP, hop on anytime, bro. Appreciate you for showing up.
Bro, just send me a link whenever. I'll be there.
Yeah, solid. I'm about to go shoot this gun and shit. As always, if you guys need an account, if you need a funded account, join my free group and fucking DM me with a support ticket. There's a group right there. It's free. We do a giveaway every single week, and it's going to be two accounts this week. If you guys need a personal broker, the broker you're watching me trade every single day, that's Gate FX. They have up to 1,000 leverage. They have nasty raw spreads, and it's $7 per lot traded both sides. So they're for a scalper, there's no better conditions that you guys are going to get. If there is, show me because I highly fucking doubt it. And as always, we'll see you guys tomorrow at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if you're in Mamba's group, I'll see you during London, which is at 3 in the morning Eastern Standard Time. And if you're in Zen Lab, then I will see you at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, bro, I'm here all fucking day, bro. If you guys can't make money with me throughout the week, you simply just don't want to. But appreciate you all. Appreciate you, EP. We'll talk soon. Later, y'all.